Just imagine, you are riding in total darkness on your bike. Even the high beam doesn't really help. And then you press a button, boom! Your own personal sun cuts through the darkness. And suddenly it feels almost like a daytime. And off the bike you still have all the power right in your hand. This beast can even start a fire. Let me show you what I'm talking about. This is the Wuben X1 Pro. I feel like these guys have been playing a lot of Cyberpunk 2077. Look at it. All of their flashlights follow the same design idea. Kind of futuristic, cyberpunk-inspired devices. I usually prefer minimal design, but this one actually hits different. I really like it. The Wuben X1 Pro is a very powerful flashlight for its size. Around 13 lumens in turbo mode, with a beam up to 400 meters. Can you imagine? It is 13 times brighter than a typical car or motorcycle headlight. It's crazy how far technology has come. It has 3 beam modes. You can switch between flood, focused, or use both together. There are also 5 power modes. You just hold it and it switches. And a strobe mode. Inside here is the replaceable 21700 batteries, which are included, and it's really useful for longer trips. You can take the spare ones and just change it. There is also a built-in fan to keep flashlight cool on this crazy brightness. You can remove it and clean it if needed. I really appreciate this modular design. The X1 Pro can be mounted on the bike handlebar or on a tripod. With this mount sold separately. So you just click it like that and it's really securely holding. I tried it already, and you can also click this little switch and change the angle. Also, here is a universal tripod thread, so you can stand it on the tripod somewhere and use it as a video light or photo light or whatever. Charging is very simple. You don't need any special charger. It's just USB-C. You just put the cable here, and in 75 minutes, if you have a powerful charger, it is fully charged. And a really useful option here. You can use this flashlight as a power bank, 10,000 milliampere hour. You can just plug it in like that and charge your phone. The body is made of aluminum, feels strong and solid, and the shape feels nice and handy, and not a long round tube like most flashlight, but it's flat, rectangular design that fits easily to any pocket. It has almost the size of Insta360 X5, you see? Actually same size. It is IP65 weather resistant. It holds even a really heavy rain, but of course just don't take it swimming. Price is about $140, which is honestly very good for this level of engineering. By the way, links to the flashlight and the mounts are in the description. Alright, enough boring theory. Let's take it out on a real adventure. This is some kind of haunted monastery or something like this. This is not the maximum mode, by the way. Fuck! It's a bat! Oh, two of them. Nice. Fucking hell. I've never seen bat so close in my life. Look at this. Oh my. Fuck. Feels like I'm in a Batman lair. Fucking hell. I hope she will not eat me. Fuck. Okay, let's try maximum mode. Turbo boost. Boom. This is the maximum power. Fuck, it's so bright. You hear? The fan is working. Freaking hell. I feel like I'm walking with the sun in my pocket. Oh my. I can see everything. So, I still have a question. If this flashlight is so powerful, can I just make a fire with it? Just point the beam to the piece of paper and we will see. Let's find out. I love these crazy tests. Okay. Putting maximum power. And just like that. Fuck, it's super bright. I see the smoke. Whoa, it's smoking really nice now. Ooh, fuck. Let's see. Fuck. Fuck. It's actually a fire, man. It's a fire. You can use it as an emergency tool to make a fire if you're really surviving outdoors, for example. It's just crazy. Fuck, it's like really powerful flashlight, I would say. So guys, if you want to check out this flashlight, just go to the link in the description and just see what it is, the prices, all the characteristics, all the details, everything is in there. And see you in next adventures, guys. As always.